Scorpion News is a public forum for student expression. Students make all content decisions, and opinions do not necessarily represent those of the HUSD.
And now for my next number, I'd like to return to the classics.
Good afternoon, Scorpions. Welcome back to another episode of Scorpion News. I'm Natalie with this week's announcements. We want to open this week's show with a discussion on some current events. This past Friday, our state governor issued the national first statewide vaccine mandate for all school children. This is all based upon the FDA granting full approval for the different age groups and could be required as soon as fall 2022. Details are still being worked out, but a recent Gallup polls estimate many families are split on their feelings. We have Mr. Everett on this episode to share some words.
Hello, Hesperia High School. It's Mr. Everett here. Hey, as many of you are aware, on Friday, our governor, Gavin Newsom, reported out that coming in here in the future, that all students grades 7 through 12 will be required to have the COVID-19 vaccination. There's a lot of misinformation and underinformation that has been shared. So wanted to try to speak to you a little bit today and just share some of what we know as of today. So was that said? Absolutely. Is that in effect as of right now? No, it's not. Every single student is welcome on our campus today. The experts, as they're trying to analyze what he said, the prediction is that that could go into effect at the start of next school year. So we're looking at like summer, July, August of 2022. That isn't guaranteed, but that's kind of what the experts are predicting right now. This is a decision that isn't made in your classrooms, isn't made with your friends. This is a decision that you, your parents, your family, you need to talk through. As a school, we aren't here to tell you what you should or shouldn't do. We're here to just let you know what the laws, what the mandates say. So again, every Scorpion is welcome on our campus right now, regardless of vaccination status. We want to try to have a safe, healthy campus, both physically, emotionally, for all of our students. Again, talk this through with your families. No decisions need to be made today, tomorrow, next week. Again, experts are saying, they're predicting that this will go into effect over the summer. So you should have quite a bit of time to discuss this and make your decisions. If you have any questions, please don't ever hesitate. Stop by the office. See any administrators, counselors. You can talk with your teachers. Have your parents call the office if they have questions. But again, just wanted to reinforce, you are all welcome on our campus right now. Nobody has to make a decision right this second. But it does look like that could be a decision that families and students are going to have to make here in the coming months and possibly over the summer. So hopefully that helps clear up any misunderstandings or any confusion. Let us know how we could help. Have a great day, Scorpions.
Thank you, Mr. Everett, for your words and for all that you and other administrators are doing to support staff, students, and families during these challenging times. Let's get back to some announcements. Attention, all sophomores, if you have any ideas for dance, fundraisers, and sporting events, then be sure to come to E13 for meetings held every Wednesday at lunch. Same thing goes for juniors. If you have any ideas, just go to W18 during lunch on Tuesdays. There's been a lot of events during lunch these past few weeks. One of those events, National Voters Registration Booth, led by Ms. G, teachers and staff members volunteered to pre-register over 50 students. We caught some footage on what this event was for you to see.
Set up today's National Voter Registration Day drive here on campus because young people are really underrepresented in our electorate, yet so many issues that are pressing right now are being decided by people that are much older than them as our elected officials in Congress, but even here at the local level. So it's really important for young people to get involved and be active citizens, and one of the first and easiest ways to do that is to register to vote and then turn out to vote on election day.
I think it's important for students to register to vote because then they get to make a choice in their politics, both in the local level and state and federal level, and they get to voice their opinions and vote for their interests.
I believe that it is very important that everyone should have a say in what our government does.
Thank you to all teachers for lending a helping hand. The event created great awareness for reaching voter opportunities and will help make sure students have the opportunity to vote when the time comes. Now that it's October, we can officially say we're in spooky season. Halloween is right around the corner and Boo Grams will be on sale soon. This is a sweet way to show somebody that you care and want to put a smile on their face. Each gram is only $2, and which includes a small gift for your boo. Sales begin Wednesday, October 20th. Speaking of having a boo for Halloween, or maybe you're out here getting ghosted. Anyways, here's a skit to lift your spirits.
Good morning, class. Before we get started today, I just want to introduce all of you to our newest student, Boo Radley. So let's open up to chapter 1 of Frankenstein. We're going to finish reading the chapter today.
I can't be the only one who hears you. Tears falling down at the party. Saddest little baby in the room. Fears, tell me fears, don't get me started. I get a little gray hair.
That was so sweet. I really can't wait for the best day of the year, Halloween. But now we're back to the announcements. Today, our senior quick shots. This is your last chance to get your senior portraits taken if you want to be in the yearbook. Olsen photographers will be here on campus October 7th and will get your specific information about the time and room number to get your picture taken in the coming days. And don't forget to vote for your senior favorites. Check your student email and senior polls on the Google Forms to cast your votes. Unity Day is October 20th. We wear orange to show unity, for kindness, acceptance, and inclusion, to send a visible message that no child should ever experience bullying. For more on this event, Israel has the story.
Is a day where multiple people all around the United States and hopefully around the whole world come together, and we try to spread awareness over bullying and how to stop it and how to be united and how to be kind with everyone. It's a day where we become aware that bullying exists and that there needs to be people to stop it. Today is the Wednesday right when we come back from break, so that would be Wednesday 20th. The way all of us can take part in Unity Day is to wear orange, decorate places with orange. So what we're going to do is decorate the school with orange. You can spread out kind messages all around the school, tell someone something nice. And if you see something that is going on, like a form of bullying or harassment, stop it right there. Do something about it.
Be sure to wear orange on October 20th. Remember, there's no such thing as a small act of kindness. Every act creates a ripple with no logical end. Scott Adams. So go out and find someone new at lunch and make a difference in a stranger's life. One more thing, Light Club, which is Hesperia High School's Christian club, will meet every Thursday in E10. during lunch. Go on and join them. They're planning to outreach and help others, and all are welcome. And lastly, before I leave, we have a teacher who wants to share a special message.
Hi guys, Mrs. Walker here. I wanted to record a quick video message specifically to my cheerleaders. I wanted to say goodbye to you all because I am going on maternity leave. Friday is my last day. Just wanted to let you guys know how extremely proud I am of you and all the hard work you've been putting in the last few weeks, from youth night with 60 cheerleaders to back-to-back pep rallies for homecoming and key game, for having homecoming with our alum, for all sorts of the excitement that's been going on this football season. You guys have continued to make me proud. I am sad that I'm going to miss the next few weeks or the next few months of your season and all the excitement that comes along with basketball, but I am excited to see how your skills improve when I come back. Please continue to be the great leaders that you are. You know I have my spies around campus. It'll keep me updated on your lives. So continue to make me proud and know that while I'm gone, I'm going to miss you all very, very much.
Congratulations to Miss Walker on the newest arrival. All of us here are here to wish you the best and blessed maternity leave. That's all for me. Let me pass it over to Sabrina for sports announcements. Till next time, this is Natalie signing off.
Good afternoon, Scorpion Scholars. I'm Sabrina here with your weekly announcements. First off, let's give a huge congratulations to our varsity football team for defending the key against Sultana. This continues our streak of winning the game 3 years in a row. The key will remain black and gold for another year thanks to the amazing efforts our team put in. It was a thrilling game capped off by a last-minute touchdown thrown by Josh Smith to Samuel Parham. We were lucky enough to get some footage of the play. Congratulations again on the win. This leads us to this week's Athlete of the Week. This week's nominator comes from head coach Mr. Goodenough. He nominates quarterback John Smith. He threw for 2 touchdowns and ran for 1 in a huge comeback win. Congratulations, keep on the great work. On to this week's games. We have a few sport events on the schedule for this week. JV and varsity girl tennis has an away match against Sultana from 3:15 to 5:15 p.m. Cross country is away this Saturday at Apple Valley from 3:15 to 5:45 p.m. Freshman JV varsity volleyball is playing against Borough High School this Saturday. Go and show our volleyball players some hype. Let's go Scorpions! Game times are from 3:30 p.m., 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. JV football has an away game playing against Oak Hills this Saturday. Game starts at 3:15. Don't miss it. JV and varsity girls tennis have a match with Oak Hills this Sunday at 3:15 to 5:15. Best of luck, girls. You got this. Do y'all want to hear a joke? What did one tennis ball say to another? See you around. Not funny? Okay, maybe I'll get you next time. Our varsity football team is playing against Oak High this Sunday. Game starts at 7 p.m. and ends at 9 p.m. Don't miss it. Let's show our team some love. Go and show your support. Best of luck to you all. Well, that's all I have for you today, Scorpions. Check us out on YouTube and Instagram for more videos and content at Scorpion News to see some behind the scenes. This is Sabrina signing off.